It's been raining heavily all day long, and my garden looks really lush. It was much needed rain. We haven't had rain for a good 6 weeks, so this is a good thing. You know, I keep telling myself that, but I can't be outside in it making planting videos for you. So instead, I'm going to just kind of pan around to show you some of my garden. And you've seen my patio. Okay, so let me move along down the galley part. And that's what I call this. So it's just kind of a long, narrow corridor. And I have packed it full, as you can see. And I've worked this garden. I've created it for 8 years. This is the culmination of 8 years of planting, design, losing things, having to start over again. This is a butterfly bush, and it will soon start blooming and we'll have butterflies.